Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to unhide a specific folder. To unhide a specific folder, there are 7 steps to unhide a specific folder. Critically, I will do these all steps. So click on the view button and then click on the show option and then pick the hidden item option. So you can see that the hide folder appear again, and you can open it and you can check it. Double click on it and you can read and write anything in the hide folder. So if you want to permanently unhide this one folder, click on the property, click on this folder and go to property, and then click on the journal and then uncheck the hidden box, and then click on the apply button and click on the OK button, and then again click on the OK button. So this folder permanently unhide. If you have any question about the unhide a specific folder, write your question in comments box. Thanks for watching.